I was born where the thunder roars, under skies that split and pour. A rebel's heart, a lion's roar. Never needed a crown to soar. They said stay down, don't rise too tall. But I found my fire, I broke the wall. Divine nature, I'm electric fire.